Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amulya's Academy. We were discussing about matplotlib package, and in the previous tutorial we discussed about legend function, how to include legend to the plot. Next we'll see how to change the location of the legend in the plot. So that is nothing but here we have a program and we are using the legend function here. Now if I save this and run this program, here we can see the legend, but legend is present in this position, right? In this place, in this location. If you want to change the location of the legend, then we can use the parameter called LOC, stands for location, and using that we can place legend in different locations. So LOC is a parameter which will take the string value, or we can give the location code, which is the integer value. So first I will show you the table of location string and location code. So we can use LOC as best. The respective location code is 0, upper right or we can take 1, upper left or we can take 2, lower left or we can take 3, lower right we can take 4, right 5, center left 6, center right 7, lower center 8, upper center 9, center 10. The strings upper left, upper right, lower left and lower right place the legend at the corresponding corner of the plot. The strings upper center, lower center, center left and center right place the legend at the center of the corresponding edge of the axis or plot. The string center places the legend at the center of the plot, and the string right places the legend at the right side of the plot. The string best places the legend at the location among the 9 locations defined so far, with the minimum overlap with the other drawn artist. So the string best will chooses the best position to place the legend. And here I need to take LOC in the legend function. I can take upper right. Here we can see legend is present here now. Or you can take center. It will place legend in the center. Or you can take lower center. So it will place legend at the lower center. Or you can use the location code also instead of string. For example, 0 is for best. Here we can see it will place here. This is the best position. I can take 1 for the upper right. Or I can take 7. It will place here. Seeing this table, you can change the location of the legend in the plot. Either you can mention location string or location code. Okay, you need to take LOC equal to location string or location code. So next we'll discuss about the another parameter called encol, which allows us to change the column in the legend. This is the integer value. So for example, now if I execute this program, here we can see the legend which contains only one column. So the default value of encol is 1. Here we didn't mention the encol parameter, so it will take the default value, that is it will give the one column. Now if I want to change that, I can take encol equal to integer value, that is 2. If I take 2, it will give 2 column now. Here we can see 2 column in the legend. I can take location with this. So if I take, so in the upper left we can see 2 column in the legend. I'll draw 2 more line in the plot. So I'll take x value as t and y value as t power 2. Here I'll take x value as t and y value as t power 3. And here I need to take label. I'll call the legend function without handle and label. So here I'll take label. I'll take some random name. Alright, so now if I execute this, here we can see the 2 column, right? If I didn't take location, it will place in the best position. And here we can see 2 column. If I want column as 4, I'll take column as 4. We are getting 4 column in the legend. If I take it as 3, here we can see 3 column. So in this way, using these parameters, we can adjust the location of the legend as well as we can change the number of column in the legend. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.